Anthracnose is a common fungal disease that will attack vegetables, fruits, and ornamental plants. Cucumbers, peppers, and beans are often most susceptible. Thanks to one of my followers for suggesting this video. So let's talk about what anthracnose is and how to prevent and control it. Anthracnose is caused by various fungi in the Calototrichum species and is characterized by dark, sunken lesions on leaves, stems, fruits, and flowers. Anthracnose can affect all above ground plant parts. It can cause dead areas to appear on the leaves, often following the veins. The center of the leaf spot may drop out, resulting in a ragged appearance. Anthracnose thrives in warm, wet conditions, making it more prevalent in a wet spring or summer. It can also be spread by overhead watering. The fungi spreads through water drops, infected plant debris, and contaminated tools. Early detection is critical as the disease can spread quickly. This disease can weaken plants, reduce yields, and even kill the plant if left untreated. Anthracnose is persistent, so maintaining a strong focus on prevention is key. Hi, I'm Amy, science teacher, wildlife rehabber, and master gardener. I've spent 29 years living off-grid and market farming in rural Kentucky. Now I'm doing urban homesteading in Wisconsin, where I moved to be closer to my son. I'm an author, and you can check out my book links in the description. Anthracnose can spread in a number of different ways. The spores of the fungi can move by air and water droplets, as we said. We humans can spread it. The fungus can survive in infected plant debris and in the soil over winter, and then come back to life in spring. That's why earlier I said it was persistent. So, prevention. As we just talked about, the fungi are spread on water droplets. Now, we can't control rain, but we can control the way we water. Drip irrigation is a good investment, especially if you live in an area that has infections. Regularly sanitize garden tools and equipment to avoid spreading the disease. Pull weeds and keep a clean garden. Composting can kill anthracnose if the compost pile reaches a high enough temperature. That temperature should be at least 140 degrees Fahrenheit to kill the fungi. You can get a thermometer for your compost pile. Rotate crops annually, especially for vegetables like tomatoes, cucumbers, and beans, to reduce the buildup of fungal spores in the soil. Space plants appropriately to allow air to circulate and reduce humidity around foliage. Plant seedlings a bit farther apart if you've had issues. Mulching helps prevent soil-borne spores from splashing onto leaves during watering or rainfall. Organic mulches like straw or wood chips work well. Get your plants off the ground. Choose vining or pole varieties and send them up a trellis. This helps them from being splattered with organisms that live in the soil and also helps with airflow. As far as organic fungicides, my first go-to is neem oil. Neem oil is great, and I've always used it on mildews with good results. The thing about any fungus is you have to start controls as soon as you see the symptoms because it spreads quickly. I'll put links in the descriptions. Copper is a very effective fungicide, but very strong. If not applied properly, it can cause damage to the plants, and regular use may result in high concentrations of copper in the soil. So use it in moderation and do soil testing. Don't confuse anthracnose with blossom end rot. They can look similar. Both can appear as dark sunken spots on tomatoes and other crops. Anthracnose causes lesions on the sides of the fruit, while blossom end rot appears on the blossom end of the plant, especially in like tomatoes and peppers. Blossom end rot is a nutrient uptake issue and not a pathogen. I do have a playlist of organic pest and diseases videos that I will put on the screen here. Please subscribe for more educational content on organic gardening and wildlife conservation. Thank you so much for watching and have a fabulous sunny day.